Hi. So when I go to a listing appointment, I love walking through houses and seeing what sellers have done to them. Many times people who are putting their house on the market say, well, I just redid my kitchen and I just redid my bathroom and I want to get my money out of it. I have to caution sellers that what your renovation is may not be the taste of somebody else's renovation style. So to not expect that you are going to get that money back. I think it's really important to know what your competition is in the market, to look and make sure that your dollar per square foot is not over and above what your competitors are. Also, because there is a lot of new construction in our community, you're competing with new construction. So people may say, well, that's great that they updated this, but the basement is still has low ceilings or is not the full length of the house. And so you feel the age of the home with some other attributes of the house. So be careful with the expectations because we are competing with newer construction, particularly in our community. And new construction has high ceilings in the basement, it has higher ceilings on the first floor. So there are things that don't equate a 1950s home to a 2020 home, even though you did the renovation and spent good money on your kitchen and your bathrooms. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get that money back. So if you have any questions on what you should or shouldn't do, give me a call. I'd be happy to help.